everybody? Dylan Geddes here, Gnarled Iron Forge. So today we're finally getting started on the ram's head. So I have a little bit of a different idea, and I have a little bit of a different approach. I'm going to be drawing inspiration from how I made one of these little roasting fork. So I'm going to be going down the center, splitting it with a chisel, drawing it out, and then kind of making that isolation there, folding it down. Hopefully I don't accidentally make the horns too long, or too short actually. I can just cut them if they're too long. And Mr. Slinger accompanied me, thankfully, so if you haven't seen his videos on the little ram's head challenge that we're doing, go check him out, please. I'll do my best to link it down below. He's a fantastic guy, fantastic blacksmith. Please send him some love. But I got it, I started a little bit. I haven't actually done a whole lot. I'm just starting to draw it out. So whereas Slinger is forging his ram's head out of the, I'm gonna call it the face or the head of the nail. It's a head of a nail, but it's the same for a spike. I don't know. Why'd you slip? Whereas he's forging it out of the head of it, I'm gonna be forging it out of the actual like spike end. And I think we have the same exact pair of tongs. These crappy freaking Amazon tongs. Here I am getting all set up and you guys don't have a proper angle. So we're gonna be drawing out this on the horn of the anvil. All right, so I think that right about in there is where I want to be. I'm gonna draw it out like almost up to here because I have an idea to as to what to make this out of, because I don't really want to just make a ram's head to make a ram's head, you know what I'm saying? It's got a little bit of a twist in it. I'm gonna forge that true. So I think we're gonna scrap the idea for the door knocker, which is fine. I'll forge one later. We shall get started on the head. Come now, flip for me, thank you. We'll get started on the head of it and see what we can make. We're just gonna get everything marked up here. Get you a better angle. How many of you saw that coming? It's too early for this. Here's where the mind games begin. Yo, I forgot. I learned something from Noah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first punch a hole right here, and that'll make this, I guess, it's not a shoulder, but it'll make the crevice of this cut here nice and clean by having a punched hole there as opposed to a cut line. It'll save me a lot of time cleaning that up. You can see that slightly darker spot right in there. If you can't, don't worry. I'm still trying to get used to it myself. That's the hole punched. Oh wow. That might be one of the cleanest holes I've ever punched. Sweet. No time like a present for that, eh? Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and finish cutting this up and get to work on the head. There you go. Got that opened up. Now we gotta heat this back up, bend them around, then take them over to the vise, and then go in with a file and get all that burr cleaned up. Bless me, someone, thank you. Are you gonna fit? Oh, I don't have a hammer. But I'll hide it is. Right on. The rest of it seems like forge work. We're just gonna get this guy out of the way. Do a little bit of forging while it's at heat. And then now that that's straightened out that way, we're gonna go ahead and start working on this guy here. Ah, well, first mistake, I burnt it. But we're not trying to get nothing crazy out of it. Not too bad. It is a little thin right in there, but I think that's okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next one maybe? No, I think I want a little bit more of a point on that, just a little. Now I have an idea. You guys remember this? Add in a lovely little bit of texture to it. Heck yeah. Like every other hammer I own, I have to hammer the handle itself. But yeah, check that out. Little Paduke handle. Not too bad. Adds a lovely little bit of texture to it. Just a little, just want a hint. It's acting a little too cold, so let me heat that up. Whoa. Man, I keep... I keep messing up by when I'm bending something over. I don't want to talk about how often I do that. I've had to scrap quite a few commissions because of that. You'd think I would have learned. I wouldn't say that's too bad. All right, yeah, sorry. I was thinking. I think I'm gonna have to leave this one here. Got a decent amount of work done. Got the rein drawn out. Got the horns cut, punched, and textured and drawn out. Anyway, if you like the video, please like it. If you dislike the video, feel free to dislike it. Let me know why in the comments down below as to why you either like it or dislike it, so that way I might better make content for all you lovely people of the future. And if you're interested into exactly why I'm doing this, I issued a challenge to Sonoran Slinger 2. His channel will be linked down below. He's also going to be forging some ram's head, and he's doing it in a slightly different fashion, so that way, you know, I figured I would do it in a different way, so that way you guys don't have to watch a similar video twice in a row. I don't know exactly how mine's going to turn out. I have to get some commissions out the door, so I'm sadly unable to finish it up right this second, and 2 of my batteries dying, and I have 128 gigs of video to go through. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. We're on our way to 500, which is insane. That's our current goal for subscriptions anyway. And yeah, I deeply appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Have a good day.